Hello friends, I am Naveen from Shakti Enterprises. Today I am making a video for this I10 Kappa AC compressor. So the brand is Hyundai Systems. So basically this is the original compressor for I10 Kappa. And the same compressor generally fitted in Magna. But for Era the compressor is different. So now I'll just unbox this for you. So here I have this compressor for you. So you can see this. So friends, this is the pulley and this is the clutch, and from here you can see the inlets and outlets, and this is the coupler. So if you see the coupler, it is here. Alright. So you can also see the fitting for this. So basically there are four fittings. Alright, and you can see it from this side as well. Okay, so friends, sometimes what happens, the problem is with the compressor, and if you replace the compressor, it works perfectly. And this compressor is made by Hyundai India. And generally what I have seen is for I10 Kappa the compressor works for at least 8 to 10 years, and after 8 to 10 years you face problem with the I10 model. Alright, so this is the compressor, and apart from that I have other compressors, so I'll make a video for them as well. So this is the compressor for I10 Kappa. And one thing more, what I will do for you, some people are requesting me for price. See, our price is different, but on the box you can see the MRP. Alright, but we are offering this compressor at a very discounted price. Alright, so this is the MRP which I am showing for you, and we are offering this compressor at a very good price. Alright, so this is the genuine compressor. Do contact us for buying this. And friends, sometimes I have also noticed that what happens, that compressor starts making a little noise, and sometimes the noise is not because of the compressor, it's because of the tensioner. And if you just adjust the tensioner, then the problem, you don't face it. Alright, so this is the compressor. That's it friends, and do contact Shakti Enterprises. You can see the numbers on the screen, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.